Harmonic minor. Harmonic minor is a very cool scale. The main function of harmonic minor is playing a major 5 chord, a dominant 7/5 chord in a minor progression. Essentially, harmonic minor is just a regular natural minor scale, but we're going to have the 7th a major 7th. So what that does is when you get to the 5 chord, so if you're in the key of A, you're starting on A minor, and when you get to E, it makes the 3rd of E a regular 3rd. It makes it G sharp instead of G. So that major 7th is the major 3rd of your 5 chord. Now, we all know our dominant 7th chord is extremely powerful, so it makes that resolution between your 1 minor chord and your dominant 5 chord, it makes it super, super duper strong. So you hear it. You'll hear a minor progression like this. We'll do a minor 1, a minor 4, and a dominant 5, right? See how it really sells it? That dominant 5 chord, even though you're not resolving to a major chord, right? You're not resolving to A major like you would diatonically. It still resolves that tritone substitution, which is that whole 5-1 progression. That tritone substitution, again, is the major 3rd and flat 7th in the dominant chord resolving, right? And so it gives you that, that resolution. That's that main sound. The cool thing about harmonic minor is that when you build a 7th chord from the 1 chord, like off the 1, you get a minor major 7th chord, which is that James Bond chord. It's a minor chord, but with the major 7th. Kind of unstable sounding, because it has that tritone in it, but it's a really, really cool sound, and there's a lot of people out there that can really make good use of that and actually play that as a 1 chord. And of course, you would then play harmonic minor over that because it's implied. But the main usage of harmonic minor is going to be when you get that 5 chord, that 5/7 of a 1 minor. So again, if you're playing an A minor, you get to E7, you're going to be playing that A harmonic minor. One thing to notice, if you start and end your A harmonic minor from that E, you get what's called Phrygian dominant. Now, so obviously that's a mode of harmonic minor. We're not going to get into a bunch of other modes of harmonic minor. There are plenty of websites out there where you can go as nutty as you want with that kind of stuff. But the only one worth mentioning is Phrygian dominant. So if you start A harmonic minor from the 5th, which is E, you get that Yngwie sound. You get that total, just that neoclassical, that shredfest thing, which is a really, really cool sound. So I'm going to show you the 5 shapes of the harmonic minor scale, and then I want to see you post a video playing over a jam track. It can be the 1 minor, 4 minor, 5 dominant 7, and when you get to that 5 dominant 7, hit that harmonic minor and really nail, like if you're in A, really nail that leading tone, that major 7th, that G sharp, and get that resolution. Okay, so now we're going to do the 5 shapes of the harmonic minor scale. We're going to start with D. So there's your pattern 1 octave shape. You really hear that major 7th in there. It's pretty cool. Pattern 2. Pattern 3. Pattern 4. And lastly, pattern 5. So that was all 5 patterns of the harmonic minor scale in D. So again, play over progression. There's a few examples below. And post a video just really getting used to harmonic minor. And you know the drill by this. By this point. Play up and down the neck, all 5 patterns, all 5 shapes. Get a feel for it, and post a video doing the best you can playing some harmonic minor. I'm excited to see it. Good luck.